Hey guys, it's Justine C. In this video, we will bring you to the most Instagrammable baking studio in the South. Hey guys, so we're on the way to SM Aura and it's currently 10:37 right now. So pagdating namin doon, we're actually gonna eat first kasi yung Bakebe appointment namin, schedule is at 2 p.m. pa. So we have a lot of time to roam around the mall. Sobrang excited namin kasi we wanted to go there before pa. It's just that we never had the time kasi di ba when you bake, it takes a lot of hours, a lot of time. Eh pag pumupunta kami doon, it's not really for Bakebe lang. Like we go there for, other stuff. Later, we're gonna bake cakes. And since magbe-birthday na si Mama, magagawa ako ng cake for her. And she really likes chiffon and ube, so I'll see if they have recipes for that. And for Ken naman, what are you gonna bake?
Strawberry. They have.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Tapos, naghanap ka na ng design?
Nope. I'm gonna do it on the spot.
Ako kasi naghanap na ng design, so this is the design that I want to copy, pero kung walang, hindi ko kaya, then whatever. Weird/fun fact about me, yes, I do bake, but I don't know how to bake cakes. No, hindi naman sa I don't know, but it's pretty hard for me to bake cakes. Ewan ko, nahirapan ako. Sorry, Chef Letty. I'm letting you down. Yummy. Go eat it. Eat it na.
I'm gonna get na.
Kaya nga.
Parang sticky na yun. It's so sticky.
And kind of oily. But tingnan mo yung base ko. Sarap. Matagal.
It's so sticky.
Is it good? Oh, okay.
So we ordered tom yum, the chicken and basil, and pad thai. Yung ito, hindi ko na siya, kasi ito yung unang lumabas. So, we ate it up.
Yeah.
This is my outfit for today.
Work your outfit. Kita mo.
Ooh.
Very casual outfit.
Very casual outfit.
So, now we're here in American Eagle. And kasi nag-fit siya ng mga damit for meeting clothes and stuff. Patingin nga, labas ka nga dito. Suot mo ba? Ay, wala na.
Okay, so we are now here at the food court and now we're just waiting actually kasi 15 minutes na lang and we're gonna go to Bakebe na. So excited. Baka pwede na tayo pumunta doon. Sige. Kumain kami ng Thai, diba? Now my tummy hurts. Pero go lang. Too much information ba?
Okay, so we are finally here at Bakebe, and here we are just fixing our aprons, and we are ready to go. So first things first, we got all our equipment first before getting our ingredients, and we also have an iPad here so that we can see the recipe and the full instructions. We actually have designated baking stations, so it's not too crowded. But since the ingredients and tools section were only at one side, there was actually a line, so this is why Ken isn't done getting his ingredients.
So we're gonna whip the butter first and make it light and fluffy. And then once it's medyo white na, we are going to put the the sugar and then the salt. Okay. Now that it looks like medyo white and fluffy na, we can go add the eggs. Okay, so but we're not gonna put the eggs na parang agad na ganon. We're gonna put it little by little lang. So it's gonna curdle, but that's fine. So guys, this is what happens when you mix cold eggs and room temp butter. Now we can add the milk. And the ube extract. This is what our batter looks like, and now we're gonna put it in the pan. Thank you. then okay na yung cake. And then we're gonna do the buttercream after. So people are working at the station. After the baking area. Smile. And the Justine. I don't know what to feel about my cake. Hindi ba dapat purple yan?
I don't know.
It's okay. I feel like it's too much. Okay, so now we're gonna do the buttercream. So we add the butter. Yung instructions sabi, add everything na dapat. So, that's what we're gonna do. This is the essence. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan. Let it whip until it's pretty white. And then we have to scrape it every once in a while para ma-whip lahat. Purple. We just had to cut it. Sayo, why does it look so black?
It's not black, it's purple. It's ultra purple.
Ultra purple. So nice. We are done, and these are the cakes that we made. So this is mine, and this is his. Kanya medyo orange yung buttercream. I'll show a clip right now on how it looks like because I can't really show it because it's already packaged. Basically, he just copied my design. Kasi naghanap ako ng gold flakes, and I was like, what's that? I was like, gold flakes? I want also. Then, gaya-gaya, di ba?
What tastes better? Like mine tastes a bit better.
Mine looks like a classic hard, ano tawag dito? Yung mga layered cakes. Yeah.
Weird too.
This is actually for my mama because it's almost her birthday. I hope she likes it. And that's for his mama also kasi nga, again, gaya-gaya kung kanino. The joke lang. I really had fun. Did you have fun? Yeah, and we had fun here baking at Bakebe. So if you guys wanna come down here, this is in SM Aura, and I'll put their price over here. Ito yung prices nila if you wanna bake. And yeah, it took us like around 3 hours. Oo, kasi usually ganun naman talaga mag-bake eh, 3 hours.
Rated
And
from 1 to 10.
from 1 to 10, this is an 11 because I love baking. And I created this beautiful masterpiece. Beautiful masterpiece. And all the chefs here are very nice and very accommodating. It's very organized as well.
Thank you so much. Sige na pala siya. Thank you.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I also hope you guys can come down here at Bakebe located in SM Aura so you too can enjoy a different level of baking experience with your family and your friends. You can book a schedule through their website, or you can also contact them through any of their social media platforms. Thanks for watching!